Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the LumiPals Charm Bracelet Kit. The kit comes in a really nice case with the handles so you can easily carry it around you, especially when you're traveling. The kit has 2,100 bands, 60 charms, 150 G-clips, 12 gift bags, and some instruction panels. So let's open this up. The first thing you'll see when you open it up is the gift bags and then the instruction panels. Inside the instruction panels, will show you a step-by-step of how to use the Happy Loom, the clips, the LumiPals, and on the back of the pamphlet, it will show you what it looks like on the bracelets, each of the LumiPals names, and yeah. Going into the case, you'll find some fun and vibrant color bands. Now here comes the really cool part, the Happy Loom. Happy Loom is a recent product of ours. It's super convenient, fun, and looks like a smiley face. With the Happy Loom, you can use the bottom mouth as your band holder. That way, when you're making your bracelet, you don't have to carry your case around. All you have to do is grab some bands with your index and thumb finger and put it on the bottom of that mouth area. And it's okay if you don't get all the bands on the Happy Loom. You can just pick them back up and put it back on again. When you put your bands on your Happy Loom, you can just keep on scooching your bands over to the left and add as many as you can. That way you don't have to go back to your case to get more bands. So you're probably wondering what these three cutouts are on the Happy Loom. So the cutouts on the Happy Loom are made so it's easier for you to get your bands off of the loom. So right now I'm just doing a simple fishtail bracelet. So the middle gap between the eyes is actually for you to use to push down the bands when you're making the bracelet. I'm just going to set this fishtail bracelet aside and do it later. So let's move on, and I'm just going to show you the G-clips. So these are your G-clips. They're called G-clips because they look like the letter G. These are the clips that are going to hold your LumiPals together and hook your bracelets together. So the really neat thing about the G-clip is that we created this heart shape at the very top to keep your LumiPals from falling off the bracelet and to keep your LumiPals on the G-clip. So I'm going to show you how to put your LumiPals on your G-clip. You're basically going to take your G-clip and poke that top heart into the LumiPal. Once you poke it through, you're gonna hold that G-clip and you're just gonna slide your LumiPal down to the bottom of that G so it sits in that bottom area. And there you go. Simple as that. I will show it to you again. So you'll take your G-clip and you're just gonna poke it through your LumiPal and then you're just gonna slide it to the bottom. Now I'm going to show you how to put your LumiPals on your bracelet. So the first bracelet we're going to try is going to be a little thicker, bigger bracelet. When you put your LumiPals on your bracelet, you want to aim that G-clip into that middle of that bracelet. And we're aiming for the middle of the bracelet because we don't want the LumiPals to fall off from our bracelet. So once you poke it through to the middle, flip your bracelet over to make sure it went through in the middle. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it on my fishtail bracelet. So you're gonna do the same thing, take your G-clip and you're gonna poke it to the middle, in the middle of your bracelet. And then flip your bracelet over to make sure that it went through in the middle. And there you have it, you have a Lumipal on your bracelet. And you can add as many Lumipals as you want on your bracelet. There's a total of 15 different kinds of Lumipals, so have fun with it.
Wait, did you guys think that was it?
So at Rainbow Loom, we love personalizing things, and we decided to give you guys this milky transparent case to decorate it however you want.
I love personalizing things because it's fun and it holds a special meaning. I recommend using any type of permanent marker, paint, and even stickers to decorate it. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more future videos. See you next time. Bye!